I have a new 53-inch coffee bar from YITAHOME. They did send this one over for me to try out and to demo for you guys. This one is really nice. So it's more of a farmhouse, older style. They do have two different styles. You can get the darker one, and they do have a white one that's actually really nice. I considered that one, but I ended up choosing this one. Now, like I mentioned, 53 inches. It has plenty of room to store quite a bit of stuff. I do have my water purifier. I got my Keurig over here. It actually looks kind of puny on this one now. Here at the top, I'll show you how deep this goes. It's actually pretty deep. You also do have a surge protector here. It has two AC outlets. You got two USB outlets as well. And it's rated for 1500 watts, and it's handling the Keurig and the water purifier at the same time. And this one also does have 3 drawers that you can store things in. And they will store a decent amount of stuff as well. Now, one of my favorite features are the sliding barn doors. And then you do have a shelf on each side as well. And the shelf is adjustable. You can adjust. I'll show you on this side. Here in the center, you do have a section where you can store bottles of whatever you want, really. I don't drink, so I just have like my flavored syrups for my coffee in here. And then you do have a shelf here where you can store some different things. And then, of course, you got your other sliding door. And so this side, I'll show you, if you wanted to adjust your shelf, you can go as high as to about right here. You just have to move these little pins, and then as low as there. It's pretty heavy, it's pretty durable and solid. It does have little rubber feet that does make it easy to slide around though, so if you want to move it around, the rubber feet's not going to scratch your floor, because it is pretty heavy. But if you are looking for a pretty nice wood coffee bar that's pretty solid, pretty heavy, pretty stable and durable, you can put a lot of different appliances up here too. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.